So this shelter is an A-frame shelter. It can easily be used for the children to go underneath and shelter and play. They love sitting and reading stories. Alternatively, a good kit shelter as well. So simple A-frame without the puppy in the way. I'm just going to attach my paracords to the edge, and normally I would be out in the forest for this, of course, but for demonstration purposes I will just use this area here today. Again, I would clear the ground if I was in the forest. So under and over with my timber hitch. Again, always good to make sure 4 or 5 times to wrap it around to make sure that the anchor is secure. No need to do this too high on your anchor. About chest height is enough. This top, as you can see, is in half, so we need to give enough flexibility to open out after. And then with my second cord, again, attach this to the centre line here. Just tie this off, and then the same simple anchor knot on this side too. Over and under again. Sorry. And one more. Okay, and then just pull that tight, and you can see the A-frame come together there. Like so. Again, just make sure any loose ends are tied up out of the way. And of course, in the forest, I would use my pegs to secure each corner, but as we are on this surface, I will just open out now and just secure with a rock in each corner, like so. Maybe use something a bit heavier just in the corners, just to open it out and secure in place. Okay. And that's the A-frame. You can see just from this, if you go to this angle here, and you can see simple A-frame through the middle. But of course, on a softer ground, I would have the tent pegs to make sure that it's more secure and opened out.